Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of a cluttered kitchen? Let us dive into some amazing kitchen storage design ideas that will maximize your space. First up, consider vertical storage. Utilize your walls by installing open shelves or hanging pot racks. This not only frees up counter space but also adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Next, think about under cabinet storage. Use slim, pull-out racks for spices or cutting boards. These little additions can make a big difference in keeping your kitchen organized and functional. Don't forget about the power of drawer dividers. Customize your drawers with dividers for utensils, gadgets, and even pots and pans. This keeps everything neatly in place and easy to find. Another great tip is to use the space above your cabinets. Store rarely used items in decorative baskets or bins to keep them out of sight but easily accessible when needed. Lastly, consider adding a kitchen island with built-in storage. This not only provides extra prep space but also serves as a home for cookbooks, pots, or even a wine rack. With these design ideas, you can transform your kitchen into an organized and efficient space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. If you have a bit of extra wall space but not enough room for cabinetry, add floating shelves. Install hooks under the bottom shelf for hanging coffee mugs, utensils, or hand towels. Style open kitchen shelves with daily essentials like coffee mugs, drinking glasses, and plates or bowls for easy access to your most used items.